Hello, my name is Brigitte Ramirez. Today I come to tell you about a vacation I have planned. I'm going to December 10 of this year's to the island of San Andres and Providencia. I'm going to stay in beautiful hotel, BTC. I will take big clothes, cameras, taking my pictures. I'm going to invite my husband and my son. I'm going to visit this aquarium, explore it in Island. We are going to walk and adult. I will have a lot of fun. We are going to spend 5 million of pesos. We will bring hats to remember the vacation. We are going to be very happy. Thank you.